Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a collection account from your Experian credit report. Now before you start, you want to get a copy of your Experian credit report, and that's just to confirm the collection account is listed. Next, you want to ensure that the debt is valid and not past the status of limitations. Now, for disputing the debt, all you got to do is log into your Experian account and you can dispute the debt online. You could also dispute the debt by mail. So you just send a dispute letter to Experian via the certified mail, and they're gonna have that disputed. You're gonna need to include documentations supporting your disputes, such as proof of payment or identity theft. Now, once that's all settled, you just want to wait for Experian's investigations, because Experian is going to investigate your dispute and they're going to contact you for additional information if that's needed. All you got to do is just check your Experian credit report to ensure that the collection account has been successfully removed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a collection account from your Experian credit report. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.